Arunachal, some were in Nagaland, some also went to Nagaland. As a consequence, the Karbis in all these other states are not recognized. Now here in this bill, the Garo tribe, who are recognized as tribe in Meghalaya, are being recognized in Assam. Whereas the Karbi tribe, who because of division of the Assam state went to the other side of the boundary, the interstate boundary, they are not recognized. So this type of discriminatory select and pick and select, choose, this policy has to be discontinued. So the Karbis living in the neighboring states of hill states, in the plain districts like Kamrup, Nagaon, and the Valley, Brahmaputra Valley district should be recognized as the tribal, which is not there.
BTC close 8 apan ke khamke buson si parliament arlo jesong dun lo jong si jesong padi krim pedode asonte BTC pen kacerap akhe atum si Karbiang long nang chodet po.
This bill is This bill is meant to protect the indigenous hill tribe of Karbi Anglong and North Kachar Hills. So this bill, I welcome it, as because the hill tribal in Assam, there are two tier of reservation, one is hill tribals and another is plain tribals. And by this legislation, the rights of the exclusive rights of the hill tribes of Karbi Anglong and North Kachar has been protected. So I welcome this bill, and our view is that government should not, while trying to solve one problem, government should not complicate problem in other places. So this is a good legislation, but at the same time, I also move that the Karbi tribe, which is the original inhabitant of Assam, Karbis are not recognized in the Plains district of Assam. So I moved an amendment and said that the Karbis, according to the anthropologists, Karbis are the Columbus of the Assam. Karbis is the first inhabitants of the Assam. But unfortunately, Karbi people are not recognized as tribe in many of the districts of Assam.
Iana thuke kaprek aparti aar lengke the pukacek krong kwa tumke Karbi khe aphan panung thipsi close 8 angdeng aputhak awarsai chiribunga hutke ili tumai MP ke bangso close 8 angdeng aphan khamkhe thiplo lapem kaddo kawe aparti atum aphan pangrumsi ke khamkhe rapet padolo bongsita alang dijok madu aja kong aphanta awarsai pachoen ede jiaphan lapen khe ke pacharbu longle de jiaphanta chirok tok pedolo sita close 8 angdeng sung non pu anta virvelan lasi ilitum rap ke hai longwer jiaphan kaya mata chirok tok pen kaya mata katisik dower nang silang rat doan Delhi parliament long alang ni sonson angthin ke the IMP aphan non napor puthot MP ke pahai thunangji akinang sot phetan dino athe akke hai jento rongpi inudvet IMP chot puson arjap thipen kache songthe abangphu kuki atum Karbi Anglong Singhason inglong arit katiki esekvet aphansi sai katiki chot Karbi akhe ke Amingaro ke tepiga or adur ke dua jok padulong loklo sita penang an a political asongja atumajok alang tum a political ale lapen vote ke longji ajoinesi kukilen ka chak ke padua jok pini Karbi akaya long akisung wanderlo bangso ajoine ka chak alup chehar jaksi KRM asong atum wangpen Singhason along nang duklunglo lapen kelu kelom Karbiara raphan kachene kahulu apram karmut lapen hemrit mikekai kiduk kelak Karbi arat ahem chonghi ason thak thak kamlo kachumatha pen dusujo pamanlo Puan kacene kaholo apita kadok kawe leng ke thi puka chikrong atum anta langdun ding ason sidulo puson kheya ke sung ke phuahut karbi kheya pinpo Dr. Jontorongpi bangso kuki pen ko jak alo hamke thipsi council gherau lapen kuki revolutionary army aphan phulunangji pura sarkar aphan alangli ke song padikrimlo Standing Committee of Home Affairs Millennium Karchohut Joint Parliament Session Kangyahut Lam Kejaidun Lapen Consultative Committee of Home Affairs Asonson Aman Ketipi Bangphu Kibiponke Ceparo Kamemi Alamlo International Awai Kangalong Anta Ilitumai MP Aphan Bangphu Ketoidun Ke Karbiang Longaman Pekamunlo Australia Sydney Along Lapen Asia Pacific Conference Anta Alangli Dunlonglo Sydney along alangli harbor workers atum kache song rache tong dunlo Sweden la pen Germany along ansitame parliament ahin pen bang puason aman ban unlo Sikkim along China ahoy along Chinese PLA pen chingkibom ahut keduk kelak araraphan kelangchari henlo kemanga thipi alamke puson kanghon kelangchari along thang aduya hoy awi Gujarat along kachenek kachepathi kedua phijong Ahmedabad along party atumaphan japonsi ke phonang atum athengno cheklang damlo Assam along Ohomia lapen Bihariang bong kacharbu ahut lethot sitame alangli Tinisukia along relief camp along anta alangli methang damsi ke phonang arar atumaphan chetong damlo Konatma human rights aputhak katengtheng kedo party ahin pen gaya mata nangkham khelo Konatma abar sai kedo puson long aduya hoy mate kisung awai kangchi frisi ili tumai MP damlo
We are for political solution of all the ethnic issues prevailing in the northeast India and also for rest of the country. In that regard, the problems raised by the both organizations has been looked into by the Government of India, and this piece of legislation has been brought in by the government. But while saying so, I would like to say that while solving a particular problem, more problems should not be created in other parts. The social balances, the political equilibrium in Northeast is in such a delicate state that if certain actions are taken without seeing its consequential and subsequential effect, that may engineer a serious social disorder which may be detrimental to the national interest. While we support that there should be an autonomous territorial council for the Bodos, it should not infringe upon the rights and privileges of the indigenous hill tribals in the Karbi Anglong and North Kachar hills. And this is exactly going to happen because of the consequential effect of certain provisions of this bill. Deputy Speaker, sir, you are aware, in Assam there are two-tier tribal system, unlike rest of the country. Some of the tribals are categorized as scheduled tribe plains, that means those tribals living in the Brahmaputra valleys, valley districts. And though they are called scheduled tribe plains, and the tribals living in the hills are scheduled tribe hills, and reservation system is likewise, there is two category of reservation system which is not found in rest of the country. And this has got long historical, economic, social and political background that I do not want to go. It has to do, it is connected with the Partial Excluded Area Act of 1885 and subsequently about the debates in Constituent Assembly, and subsequently this was categorized that way. Now this bill is going to dismantle the scheduled tribe plains and scheduled tribe hills system. So when I pointed it out to government and to different political parties, everybody agreed to it that the scheduled tribe hills should not be disturbed. The list of scheduled tribe hills of the Karbi Anglong and North Kachar hills should not be disturbed. And if we go by the report, because this bill was scrutinized by the Departmental Standing Committee of Home Affairs. The Departmental Standing Committee in its 102nd report, which was submitted in this House, in page number 4 and 5 at para 8 to 11 has categorically, Government of India, they have assured the standing committee that these provisions will be amended in the bill, and this amendment will come as a miscellaneous provisions in the bill. That was the promise made to the standing committee at para 8, 8.1, 9, para 10 and para 11. And with that amendment, with assurance of that amendment, the standing committee cleared it and that report was placed in the parliament. But now I have seen that those amendments have not come. So I seek clarifications from the Honorable Minister moving the bill, that why the commitment given to me, while the commitment given to the standing committee of bringing amendment so that the scheduled tribe hills and scheduled tribe plains, that two-tier reservation system will not be disturbed, that commitment was not adhered to. I seek a clarification from the Honorable Minister in this regard. Secondly, sir, this Article 244A, because this bill has got so many consequential effects. There is exclusive provisions in the constitutions, that is Article 244A. This particular provision is exclusively and specifically applicable only to the hill districts of Assam, that is Karbi Anglong and Ansi Hills. And this is an enabling provisions, enabling the parliament to create an autonomous state within the state of Assam, comprising only these two hill districts. And these two hill districts, all political parties, all students' organizations, all youth organizations, all the people are demanding last 15 years that this Article 244A, which is a solemn commitment given by the Parliament of the India to these hill districts, that an autonomous state shall be created, that should be granted immediately. Government of India has so far not responded to it, but now I have seen that this Bodo Territorial Area Council, this area has been now tagged with Part 1 of the table appended to the para 20 of the 6th schedule. So this enabling provision will now be applicable to the Boroland area also, which honorable member have said has got a mixed demography. It is a mixed demography. I am not saying that it is completely tribal or completely non-tribal. Everybody has agreed that it is an area of mixed demography. Even to apply 6th schedule, there are problems. That is why 6th schedule have to be amended and special provision have to be added to, so that non-tribal populations are taken care of. So in such a new area with mixed demography, now this new area you are taking it with a hill area which is exclusively inhabited by the hill tribe area, and for which a particular